I can polish shoes faster than any butler. If you can shine my shoes better than my servants, you may eat at my table. Don't worry, Sir Telig. Laughter washes away pride. Welcome to my humble abode, Toto. Shall we dine?
The mansion once silent with pride now fills with joyful laughter and music.
For the one who polished my pride.